Good morning, dear students. In chapter 3, we shall learn today about the relation between addition and subtraction. I will explain this to you with an example. Subtract 1,12,605 from 3,40,260 and check your answers. Here, I have to subtract this number from this number. Putting the numbers in the place value chart, I am writing this number in the place value chart from the back side. So it is 0, 6, 2, 0, 4, 3. This number I have to subtract from this. So writing this number here, 506 211. Now we shall subtract this number from this. 0 is less than 5, so we cannot subtract 5 from 0. So what I have to do? I have to take 1 from 6 so that it becomes 10, and after taking 1 from 6 it will become 5. So 10 minus 5 is 5. Now 5 minus 0 is 5. Here 2 minus 6, we cannot subtract 6 from 2 as 2 is less than 6. We have to borrow 1 from its next place, but here you can see that it is 0. We cannot borrow anything from 0, so we go to the next place. Here we have the digit 4. Therefore, from 4 I shall borrow 1, it becomes 10. This 4 will be 3. From 10 I will take 1, so this 2 will be 12 if I take 1, and this 10 will become 9. So 12 minus 6 is 6, 9 minus 2 is 7, 3 minus 1 is 2, and 3 minus 1 is 2. Now what is the relation between addition and subtraction? Here we have done the subtraction. The relation is, we shall get this number if we add these two numbers. If we add the difference and the subtrahend, we should get the minuend. So we shall check if it is true or not. I shall add this number and this number here, writing the numbers from the back side, this number and this number. 5, 0, 6, 2, 5, 0, 6, 2, 1 and 1, and this difference was 5, 5, 6, 7, 2 and 2. We have to add these two, this number and this number, and we should get this number. 5 plus 5 is 10. 1 will be carry forwarded to the next place. 1 plus 5 is 6. 6 plus 6 is 12. So 12, 2, and carry forwarded will be 1. Now 1 plus 2 plus 7 is 10. 0 will be here, 1 will be carried forwarded to the next place. 1 plus 1 plus 2 is 4. Then 1, there is no carry, so it is 0. 1 plus 2 is 3. So after addition of the subtrahend and difference, we have got the number which was minuend. This number, you can check this number and this number same. This way you have to check your answer. If this and this having same value, then your subtraction is correct. I feel that I should do some more exercises from activity 2. In my last class I did 1. Let us check question number 8. Mr. Bajaj bought a house for rupees 34,25,600 and a computer for 46,450. How much money did he spend in all? So Mr. Bajaj, he bought a house for this much and bought a computer for this much. How much money did he spend altogether? We have to find out. Entering this number in our place value chart, the digit from the last in the place value chart, 0, 0, 6, 5, 2, 4 and 3. This value again I have to enter from the back side. 0, 5, 4, 6 and 4. We have to add these two numbers. You can see 0 plus 0 is 0. 0 plus 5 is 5. 6 plus 4 is 10. So this 0 will be here and this 1 will be carried forwarded to the next place. 5 plus 6, do this in your rough work area. 5 plus 6 is 11. 11 plus 1, or you can write like 5, 6, 1, that is 12. 12, 2 will be written here. 1 is carried forward to the next place. 1 plus 2 plus 4, that is 7. 7 I shall write here. 4, there is no number here, so 4 will be 4. 3 will be 3. Therefore, Mr. Bajaj spent rupees 34,72,000 and rupees 50 for the house and for the computer. Now, question number 10. The difference between two numbers is 24,50,172. Find the bigger number if the smaller number is 15,28,978. So you know that if we subtract the smaller number from bigger number, we get the difference. But at the beginning of the class today, I told you if I add these two numbers in subtraction, I get the bigger number. To get the bigger number, find the bigger number. To get the bigger number, what we have to do? We have to add the difference and the smaller number. For that, I shall write the place value chart. 0, 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh and 10 lakh. the bigger number, the two numbers are 2, 7, 1, 0, 5, 4, 2, and this number entering from the back side 8, 7, 9, 8, 2, 1, 5. I have to add these two numbers to get the bigger number. So 2 plus 8, if I add 2 plus 8 is 10, 0 will be here, 1 will be carried forward. 7 plus 7 is 14, 14 plus 1 is 15, 5 here, 1 will be carried forward. 9 plus 1 is 10, 10 plus 1 is 11, 11, 1 here, 1 will be carried forward to the next place. 8 plus 1 is 9, 5 plus 2 is 7, 4 plus 5 is 9, 2 plus 1 is 3. Therefore, the bigger number will be 39,79,150. So if I put the comma, it will be like